most importantly, I promise to let you have my last chicken nugget. Even when you said you weren't hungry, and that you definitely didn't want anything, not even a chip. But I'd do that because making you smile and making you happy is everything to me.
Sometimes I wonder what would have happened if we didn't both swipe right. If we hadn't met at ICC on that rainy Wednesday night. If we hadn't stayed for cocktails way up in the sky, or you would have said yes to that hooker in one try.
I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh.
When the midwife passed her over to me, she said Louise was beautiful. She was beautiful then, and she is now. Since that day, I've been a proud dad. Seeing Louise develop and grow through the years, I'm happy to see her with Dominic. Anna and I think we make an excellent couple. We love them to bits and wish them every happiness for the future.
Crois-tu, chaque jour, je t'aime davantage. Aujourd'hui, plus qu'hier, et bien moins que demain. For you see, each say I love you more. Today more than yesterday, and less than tomorrow.
And I know for a few of you, this is your first visit to Scotland, and the weather didn't disappoint. I cannot wait to watch you all attempt a ceilidh dance a bit later on. I know for what you lack in technique, you'll more than make up for in enthusiasm.
I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, ooh, take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.